Good morning, everyone. Tim Morset with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm excited because we're in front of our great new listing. You're gonna love it. It's in the hillside community of Foothill Ranch. We live just around the corner. This house features 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It says den, but really it's a bonus room, over 3,000 square feet. The address is 26 Santa Maria. It also has a downstairs ensuite bedroom and bath. Let's go inside. So here we are in this grand living room, formal dining room area. Now I don't know what I like better, the 2-story ceilings or this fabulous wrought iron custom staircase. From here, we also have travertine flooring throughout the house. We travel to a downstairs ensuite bedroom, which is rare, a powder room, a laundry room. And then we have the kitchen. Let's go look at the kitchen. This kitchen is light and bright. It has a southern exposure, but it's very unique. The previous owners took out this wall, added the stove here so you can look onto the family room. I can just imagine having omelets in the morning, watching a football game, maybe having a couple of mimosas here with your friends. This kitchen and family room adjoining our wonderful space. You're gonna love this area. Let's go look upstairs. So as we walk through the double doors into the primary suite, I tell you what, I get excited. I love this room. A large area, California king bed for sure, a retreat where you have 2 chairs, you can sit in the morning, and then we go into the remodeled primary bathroom, which you're just gonna love. Let's take a look at that. Let's go check out the secondary bedrooms and the bonus room. So it's really nice that the primary suite is in the back of the property, and then we have bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4, and then a secondary bathroom, all travertine, granite, it's gorgeous. And then we end up here in the bonus room. This is a large space with a balcony. It could be a retreat for the kids, an office, a workout room. Let's go take a look at the backyard. So here we are in this entertainer's backyard, offering a barbecue, a bar, a great area here to sit back and relax and communicate and talk to your friends, a grass area for the kids or for animals. Your dog will love the backyard. So if you like this property, give us a call, Tim Morset Group, Coldwell Banker, 949-412-2233. We'd like to help your dreams come true in real estate. Take care, be safe.